Ba-da-da-da. Yeah. Look, back again, Yeah, the SAS Hackathon out the world like astronaut. Real problems and the way we solve them like magic wands. This year we're going bigger, bigger than mastodons. I'm hoping you're thinking caps is on. My hat is off to you and your team got dreams to make a difference. With fast minds and SAS Bio, we shake the system. Speed and scalability provide the means to run. Achieve with our capabilities, anything can be done. And I don't play games unless it's for ideation. We move through spaces with prioritization. I generate data but don't generate lyrics. Growth curve of a model, how we elevate spirits. Synthetic with the data, but the insight's the realest. Artificial intelligence, we get right within it. Gotta be trustworthy and ethical. How we deal with the possibilities endless. It's literally no ceilings. The apps you'll develop are oh so local. It's easier than ever with low code, no code. No matter where you are, this flow is global. No, the SAS Hackathon goes coast to coast, cause we are international now. Make where you're from proud. Worldwide represented from Rome to São Paulo. Putting in that time, sun up to sundown. The power of teamwork, get your people to come round. Truth yet to be discovered, territories unfound, and I'll yell it loud till my lungs go out. It's that hacking time of year and we better make it count. Where you at? Come and get yourself a hackathon crown right now.
In the world of data, where challenges unfold, SAS Hackathon is a story to be told.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the 2024 SAS Hackathon Awards celebration. I am Marinella, Global Gen AI and AI Market Strategy Lead at SAS. And let me just start by saying one thing. What a year 2024 has been when it comes to artificial intelligence. So many advancements and innovations. And obviously the main character was generative AI. Well, in July, SAS announced the results of a global survey where we asked 1,600 business and technology decision makers about their generative AI plans and challenges. The results showed that 75% of organizations have already set aside budget to invest in generative AI. However, 9 out of 10 decision makers admitted that they don't fully understand the technology and its potential. Well, experience, they say, is the best teacher. And what better way to get hands-on experience than a hackathon? Especially one that is 1 month long and where participants can get access to the latest artificial intelligence and generative AI capabilities from generating synthetic data, advanced modeling, code assistant, and so much more to solve real-world business and humanitarian challenges. Obviously, guess what? I'm talking about the one and only SAS Hackathon. And this year, in our 4th year, we hit a participation record. I'm talking about 145 teams from around the globe who joined the SAS Hackathon. Customers, partners, and students use the latest AI and development technology, such as the data and AI platform VIA, our lightweight modeling and coding environment via Workbench, SAS Data Maker to generate synthetic data, and SAS Via Copilot for code assistance. And this year, students had the unique opportunity to choose one of 2 challenges related to a data for good and ethical data analysis to help them broaden their skills with hands-on AI and data experience. Well, first of all, congrats to all the teams who managed to complete the hackathon successfully. And we're here today to name the winners in multiple categories from industry, the technology, regions, and specialty categories. And the overall team winner of this year's hackathon will be announced at SAS Innovate in Orlando, Florida in May 2025. So stay tuned for that. Now, before we reveal the 2024 champions, let's hear from SAS leadership. I'd like to invite Sglavo, SAS Vice President of Applied AI and Modeling, to share some brief thoughts on the SAS Hackathon. Welcome, Udo, and thank you for joining us.
Hey, everyone. It's great to be back here to celebrate the incredible winners of this year's SAS Hackathon in the regional, technology, and industry categories. Today, it's all about giving out those well-deserved bragging rights. Now let's talk about hackathons. They're like the Olympics for data geeks, minus the medals, the sponsorship deals, and over-the-top opening ceremonies. And the SAS Hackathon? It's not your typical weekend crunch fest. It's a whole month. That's right, 4 glorious weeks of coding, collaboration, and surviving on more coffee than anyone should admit. This hackathon brings together data scientists, tech enthusiasts, business analysts, and students from all over the world, some even working together from opposite sides of the globe. Now imagine the chaos of coordinating schedules when one person is starting their day with a coffee and the other person is wrapping up with a bedtime tea. It's an impressive balancing act. This year, teams got to play with some shining new SAS technology. And here's a quick rundown. First up, we had SAS via Workbench. Think of it as the ultimate playground for data wizards. It's got everything you need for data preparation, analysis, and building AI models. Plus, it works with SAS, Python, and going forward with open source R. That's right, the Workbench is so adaptable that it could easily fit into any workflow. Next, we had model cards. These are basically the nutrition labels of AI. They tell you things like accuracy, fairness, and who's responsible for the model, because it's important to know who's accountable for the model's performance. Then there was SAS Data Maker, which creates synthetic data. Think of it like a magician pulling out data of thin air, but without all the smoke and mirrors, and with much more focus on privacy. Perfect for training AI without needing to tiptoe around sensitive information. And finally, SAS via Copilot. Your personal AI assistant is there to help you with code, data cleanup, and much more. It's like having a buddy who whispers, "Don't worry, I got this," but in machine learning terms. I would encourage everyone to check out some of our team stories on the Hackers Hub at SAS Community. Who knows? Maybe it'll spark your next big idea. Congratulations again to everyone and to the winners, and please enjoy your well-earned bragging rights.
Thank you, Udo. Now it's time to talk about our partners. I want to give a huge shout out to our SAS partners, Microsoft and Intel, who are also the sponsors of this year's SAS Hackathon. Together, SAS, Microsoft, and Intel put data and AI to work and deliver insights that improve lives. And during the hackathon, the teams had access to SAS Via on Microsoft Azure running on optimized Intel processors. So without further ado, let's hear from our sponsors.
It is exciting to be a sponsor of the SAS Hackathon. The SAS Hackathon offers such a unique opportunity to bring creative minds together, utilizing latest technology, data, and analytics to solve a real-world problem together as a team. Everything from IoT and edge computing solutions to increasing sustainability. SAS and Intel have deliberately developed strong optimization between processor, memory, and software, making it a natural fit for Intel to be a leading sponsor of this hackathon. Our partnership is a powerful combination of SAS's leading data and AI software with Intel's latest generation Xeon architecture capabilities to deliver extraordinary computing power. Speaking of extraordinary, what an extraordinary showing of entries this year, covering so many industries and 73 completed hackathon use cases in the industry tracks. This effort is incredible work by these hackers. They exemplify the art of the possible, the ability to change lives, the ability to transform the way we do business, and the way we advance humanitarian efforts. We saw themes of financial inclusion, data-driven ethical scoring models, analysis for prostate cancer, equity in farming communities, and predictive analysis of accidents, and much more. On behalf of Intel Corporation and our partnership with SAS, I want to congratulate the teams on your great work, your innovative thinking, and your creativity to come together to solve a real business need.
First, I want to extend a heartfelt thank you to all participants in this year's SAS Hackathon. Your dedication and innovative spirit are truly inspiring. I also want to recognize the powerful partnership between SAS and Microsoft that's making opportunities like this possible. Together, we are not only shaping technology, but also creating impactful solutions for global challenges. Hackathons are such a fantastic way to drive innovation. They allow us to test new technologies, even exploring those capabilities that aren't generally available yet. Through the strategic collaboration between SAS and Microsoft, we're able to bring together SAS's advanced analytics and AI expertise with Microsoft's cloud infrastructure and global reach. This combination lets us tackle complex problems in ways that weren't previously possible. This year's hackathon teams have made tremendous achievement in just 1 month. Teams have addressed issues across diverse industries, tackling some of today's most pressing humanitarian challenges, everything from flood risk response and promoting fair labor practices to poverty awareness, sustainable milk production, and smarter planning for harvest. These solutions are truly impactful, so in how technology and data can be used for good. What's remarkable is that this partnership between SAS and Microsoft goes beyond just technology. It's all about leveraging our strength to make a meaningful difference in the world. By combining SAS's powerful analytics with Microsoft global ecosystem, we are making these solutions scalable and accessible to communities and industries that need them most. Once again, thank you to all the participants. Your hard work is paving the way for innovation with purpose. As a Microsoft account director, I'm incredibly excited about the future of this partnership and all the potential it holds. Let's continue pushing boundaries, creating solutions, and driving meaningful change together.
Thank you, Microsoft and Intel, for your continued partnership in the SAS Hackathon. As some of you may already know, the SAS Hackathon is a competition not just across industries, but also across time zones, with team members being located on different continents. So let's take a look at some of this year's teams. All right, I am now going to turn it over to my two dear colleagues in our Stockholm studios. I am talking about Peter and Einar, where they are going to announce the winners of the SAS Hackathon 2024 for each industry track, the new student track, the region, the technology, and the specialty awards. Peter and Einar, take it away.
Thank you, Marinella, and welcome to the SAS Hackathon Award Studio here in Stockholm. It's a great honor for us to lead you through the awards and announce the winners together with our track and technology readers. And what an inspiring symphony of teams around the world. We are so grateful for your participation and innovation. It's the most exciting time of the year, Einar.
Yes, it is.
So, what's your impression?
Well, I think it's fantastic to see all this engagement we have from all around the world. And we have as much as 17%.
17!
That is coming back, not only for the second year, but even some of them for the third year and the fourth year. And here at the SAS Hackathon, they are trying out technology that hasn't even been released. And they are showing like new strategies and new way of testing things out. And on social media, we could see that the teams are not only sharing that they are participating, but what they are doing and what really motivated them to join. So tell us, Peter, what's the mission that we gave these teams?
The mission that we gave them was you bring your team of passionate people, you bring your data, and you bring your problem statement. And then you solve it within just 1 month. But now it's time to focus on the awards today. We have 8 different industry awards with additional 2 student awards. We have 11 different technology and specialty awards. And then we have 3 different regional awards, Americas, Asia Pacific, and EMEA.
And then we have the People's Vote too, right?
Yes, we have the People's Vote, but more on that later. And we have actually, as another cliffhanger, 1 or 2 teams that have won in multiple categories. And that's a truly impressive achievement that we call
Hack Slam.
Hack Slam!
Hack Slam. Yes, we do. But will that be all awards being handed out today?
Almost, but 1 will be handed out today, except one that the winners in each category will be automatically nominated to the prestigious Overall Grand Champion Award that will be presented on the main stage in the SAS Innovate in Orlando in May.
Let's introduce the Industry Awards.
Yes, Peter. The Industry Award is focusing on recognizing applications and solutions that target a specific industry. The challenges is to develop an algorithm that transforms or improves an industry. And in the light of the current economic uncertainty and ongoing challenges in the environment, disruptions is presenting both an obstacles and an opportunity across all sectors.
So true.
This is a moment to address meaningful and impact problems. Domain expert juries from 7-8 industries have evaluated teams to work, and after careful assessment, champions has been selected. So Peter, what's the first industry?
Banking, a large track, 12 teams with interesting use case headlines like financial inclusion to predict market needs with generative AI, customer optimization for sales campaign, and then we have gamification of financial analysis, unmasking payment fraud, and then streamline business rules configuration with intelligent decision and generative AI. Let's take a look at the nominations.
And the nominees are Banamex Risk 360, Byban Reservas, Comture, Kansu Data, Critical Thinking Crew, Imposter, ISX for Good, Nexa Analytics Workers, Raffles Vietnam, Scrappy Number 2, Syntax Error, Team Wells. And the top 3 finalists are Raffles Vietnam, Scrappy Number 2, and Team Wells.
This submission rises above the noise of the current rush to market of document summarization capabilities by solving an immediate and stubborn problem. The idea of orchestrating policies and business rules across the model lifecycle is a unique and necessary requirement for banks. Strong use of SaaS components to provide a key differentiator of model workflow across the SaaS platform, which means I can see this in the market now. And this is an outstanding submission.
And the winner of the banking track. Congratulations, Raffles Vietnam!
The next industry is energy and telecom. And here we find use cases such as reducing CO2 from commute for a healthier planet, identification of weather trends and their effect on the nuclear plants, and revolutionizing revenue and profit forecasting by leveraging machine learning and data analytics. Let's look at the nominees.
And the nominees are Advanced Analytics TEF Vivo, Booth & Associates, Cali Can, Cleaner Commutes, Climate Change and Challenges to Nuclear Plant Safety, IAEA. And the top 4 finalists are Advanced Analytics TEF Vivo, Booth & Associates, Cleaner Commutes, Climate Change and Challenges to Nuclear Plant Safety, IAEA.
The challenge addresses the critical intersection of nuclear security and climate resilience, which is critical to the global energy infrastructure. This project its well-defined solution aligned with the global safety standards and climate requirement stands out for its relevance and scalability. Examining the combined effects of natural catastrophic events on nuclear power plants, the study showed significant results. Improved safety can also reduce, as a side effect, emissions and decrease dependence fuels influenced by geopolitical factors. These results highlight high innovative and commercial value, paving the way for further improvements.
And the winner of the energy track, Team Climate Change and Challenges to Nuclear Plant, IAEA. Congratulations!
The team delivered a thorough and lucid explanation of the data and analytical process involved. Their results showcased remarkable achievements across business performance, sustainability, and sales forecasting efficiency. By tackling a specific challenge, this case study highlights significant potential for real-world application, making it an exemplary model of effective problem-solving and innovation. The team's ability to integrate advanced analytics with practical business needs underscores their capability to drive substantial improvements and foster sustainable growth.
And the winner of Telecom, Advanced Analytic TEF Vivo. Congratulations! If I say using chatbots to help expected mothers to mitigate risk, or making rehab more engaging through real-time recovery information, or using generative AI for medical literature search, or spotlighting manufacturing defects with computer vision. What's the industry?
Well, probably another great year for health and life science, so let's look at the nominees.
And the nominees are Guardian Owl Project, Hacketeers, Health Hackers, Near Exergame, New Peak Neurons, New Peak Pioneers, Pharmalyze, Radiomics, Ratio Team, Techno 4. And the top 3 finalists are Near Exergame, New Peak Pioneers, and Ratio Team.
Our healthcare champion leveraged SAS Via and machine learning techniques to develop a personalized therapy plan for rehabilitating stroke patients, and to deliver those in a way that gamifies the experience through a mobile app and helps improve patient outcomes. It's an innovative approach that will have a measurable positive impact on patient recovery.
Winner of the healthcare team near Extra Game. Congratulations!
This team showed an outstanding use of SAS Via capabilities and had a strong use case that simplified searching biomedical literature databases. The team also showed excellent integration of APIs and interoperability, while they effectively harnessed SAS Via's capabilities, including generative AI, to quickly develop a production-ready application. Truly impressive.
And the winner of Life Sciences, the Ratio team, congratulations!
Insurance, and here we see many innovative use cases, such as a guide through legal complexity, an AI-enhanced heat stroke prevention, and predictive model for enhanced customer retention, and enhancing risk analyzing with dynamic modeling. So let's see the nominees.
And the nominees are Astrolavos, Gen Retention Rangers, Hail Raiders, ORAG's Insightful Insurers, PZU Alpha Team, Retro Analysts, Statisticians, Swedbank Insurance, VHV. And the top 3 finalists are PZU Alpha Team, Retro Analysts, and Statisticians.
Your solution addresses a critical safety challenge in the construction industry with powerful applications across sectors like insurance and healthcare. By harnessing SAS Via, you've gained the ability to perform real-time data analysis directly through smart helmets, ensuring critical insights reach users exactly when they're needed. This human-centered approach prioritizes user safety and builds trust, driving higher adoption across industries.
Your innovation not only strengthens safety measures, but also optimizes efficiency, significantly reducing risks. The solution holds tremendous promise for substantial returns of investments and wide-reaching industry impact. This is impressive work. Thank you so much for your dedication to advancing safety technology with such pioneering solutions. Congratulations, team.
And the winner of the insurance team, Statisticians! Congratulations!
Public sector, the largest track with 21 teams, with use case topics like child protections with AI analysis, identifying violence with AI, detecting 38 different crop disease, changing the way rental bikes are distributed, and using text data to identify poverty zones. Let's take a look at the nominations.
And the nominees are Abuse Search, Avalanche, BCA Team, Butterflies, Code Blossoms, Code the Dream, Code Wrappers, Collaborators Bike the World, Council Insights Heidelberg, Data Troopers, Esequam Videri, EY for Better World, Innova TSN, Laboratorio Vivo, NHIS FDS, PS2G Samut, PW Consulting, Team Hore, Team Only Planet 2120, Team OST, UNLV. And the top 3 finalists are Butterflies, Council Insights Heidelberg, and Team Only Planet 2120.
This team brings together a unique combination of data-driven analysis, public policy expertise, and creative planning to solve a compelling and complicated global problem.
By blending long-term goals with short-term, actionable steps, this team's inspiring hackathon entry can be applied far beyond the public sector, producing results that will have a truly global reach.
And the winner of the public sector, Team Only Planet 2120. Congratulations!
Retail, consumer goods and manufacturing. And here we find solutions for supply chain improvements by reducing lead time, emissions and warehouse capital. Analyzing factors influencing lacquer gloss for enhanced quality control in automobile industry and drivers behind customers' rating, and promoting transparency of fair labor as well as a model to attract first-time hotel guests to become a repeat customer. So the nominees are...
And the nominees are AI Hackers, Billion Rows, Data Curate, DiamondX, Getmo, CV, Oria, POI, Smart Harvest, Supply Chain Resource Cooperative, NCSU, Team Nodalize, and High. And the top 3 finalists are DiamondX, Supply Chain Resource Cooperative, NCSU, and Team Nodalize and High.
This entry provided a really thought-provoking use case and made us think about the consequences of consumer and market demand versus the social realities of delivering against that demand.
Every effort made by these teams aims to bring us one step closer to a world where workers are treated fairly, factories uphold ethical practice, and are held accountable. The hard work and commitment demonstrate are the threads that will give a bigger and better future for workers in the third world countries.
This use case has the potential to drive meaningful changes in the industry and empower brands to adopt more social responsibilities, encourage customers to be well informed and evaluate their choices.
Fantastic job. A very compelling video, clearly stating the problem and need. Great and clear software demo.
Keep pushing forward, knowing that your impact is profound and far-reaching.
The winner of the Retail, Consumer Goods and Manufacturing, Team Supply Chain Resource Cooperation, NCSU. Congratulations!
This year we introduced a new track that we are very proud of. What's that track?
Yes, that's the student track. So let's meet the track leaders and hear what this is all about.
Hello, I'm Lincoln, and this is my colleague Liz, and we're part of Global Academic Programs at SAS. We're very excited about the student participation in the 2024 SAS Hackathon.
Seeking to engage the nearly 1,000 students that registered for the SAS Hackathon, we launched 2 student-only tracks in 2024.
We provided use cases and data for 2 tracks. Option 1 focused on essential data visualization skills. Our Data for Good project explored the link between economically vulnerable populations and regions in the United States expected to be most affected by climate change. Students needed to sort through a lot of data and determine which U.S. counties could be most vulnerable to increasingly variable weather patterns.
Option 2 focused on predictive modeling. Our ethical data analysis project put students in the role of predictive modeler in an admissions department at a fictitious analytics program. They were asked to analyze historical data on admissions to help determine who should be admitted to the incoming class. But just because they can run a model doesn't mean that they should. Students were then asked to use the bias assessment tools in SAS Model Studio to evaluate and update their predictions to correct for any potential historical biases in admission.
Those were the student tracks in the 2024 hackathon. Now, let's announce the winners.
In our Data for Good track, focused on climate change and vulnerable populations, the runners-up are Clarkulators and Los Tonotos. The winner of the track is Team Orsol. This team of students from Purdue University impressed us with their empirical modeling and dashboard storytelling. Well done, Team Orsol.
We had a very tight race in our second track, focused on ethical data analysis and college admissions. Runner-ups in this tracks are The Italian Job and Hot Syrup Bandung. The overall winner is the Data Ninjas. The Ninjas impressed us with the thoughtfulness of their analysis and their overall modeling skills.
Those are our winners in the 2024 SAS Hackathon student tracks. Thanks to all the teams that participated, and we look forward to seeing you again in 2025.
And the winner of the student track, Data for Good, Team Orsol. Congratulations!
The winner of the student track, Ethical Data Analysis, Team Data Ninja. Congratulations! Let's kick off and introduce the Tech Awards, Peter.
Yes, and as we say in the SAS Hackathon office, no tech, no hack. This year we made new technology available like SAS Via Workbench, SAS Via Copilot and SAS Data Maker, and model cards for Trustworthy AI. In this category, we celebrate the diverse skills that the teams brings to the table, showcasing various arts of AI and machine learning to achieve perfection in their applications. In total, we have 7 technology awards to hand out and 1 U for the best model, and that's a beauty, right, Einar?
That's a beauty. And yes, the jury evaluates the technology, showcase and smart usage and innovation, and of course the future potential, commercialization, and perhaps a model in production. So let's see it.
Let's start with
computer vision. That's the sense of artificial intelligence, AI, that enables computers and systems to derive meaningful information from digital images and videos and take actions or make recommendations based on that information. So let's look at the top 3.
And the top 3 finalists are Avalanche, Ecovanti, Scrappy number 2.
Thank you for applying your talents to address a global issue. Your focus is particularly timely given the current technology and the computing power available to analyze data. The team presented a well-defined and meaningful objective, offering a solution aimed at reducing the harmful effects of social media. Their approach effectively detects and mitigates this issue with the help of AI and computer vision.
The winner of the computer vision, Team Avalanche. Congratulations!
decisioning. This can be quite stressful, especially if you're dealing with important choices or a high volume of decisions in a short time period. Let's take a look at the top 3.
And the top 3 finalists are Benjo, Council Insights Heidelberg, and Raffles Vietnam.
Congratulations on making a compelling case for using decisioning technology to safeguard resources and prevent financial harm. You've highlighted a significant and real challenge that affects us all globally. Furthermore, your approaches could be easily leveraged and integrated across multiple domains. Your presentation impressed us with its innovation, effective use of SAS tools, and industry importance. It was very well presented. The initiative not only addresses a critical issue, but also showcases the potential of applying advanced analytics to drive meaningful change. We are so excited to see its impact in the future. Congratulations again.
And the winner of decisioning is Team Benjo. Congratulations!
So let's go for the category of forecasting, the act of analyzing and mining data to predict what will happen in the future. So let's look at the top three.
And the top 3 finalists are Advanced Analytics TEF Vivo, Billion Rows, and Data Curate.
The winning team in the forecasting technology track developed an impressive integrated solution for inventory management that effectively leveraged data management, demand forecasting, inventory optimization, and visualization in SAS. Your thorough exploration of the procurement and planning process, combined with the innovative application of numerous SAS tools, is truly commendable. This comprehensive approach not only enhances efficiency, but also showcases your expertise and creativity. Great work. Keep it up.
The winner of forecasting, Team Data Curate. Congratulations!
IoT, Internet of Things. And as you know, this was also a separate track. So let's take a look at some of the themes in IoT. Automating medical bill auditing, digital twins for e-commerce, real-time sign language translation, and sustainable milk production, predictive maintenance, and smart helmets. So let's take a look at the nominations.
And the nominees are Benjo, Cleaner Commutes, Code Blossoms, Datasmiths, Diamondex, Ecovanti, Pore, Inspirational Modulators, New Peak Neurons, Smart Harvest, Statisticians, Team Nodalize and High, 2Tech Innov. And the top 3 finalists are Datasmiths, Statisticians, and Team Nodalize and High.
The project stands out for its use of AIoT and real-time analytics to tackle the significant health risks construction workers face due to extreme heat exposure. By integrating data such as PSI, heart rate, and body temperature, the solution offers real-time monitoring and alert systems that can proactively forecast health risks and prevent heat strokes. This approach not only aims to reduce the heat-related deaths and thousands of injuries, but also demonstrates the potential to lower insurance claims and premiums by preventing incidents before they occur. The team clearly demonstrated their technical workflow, showcased their model, and the potential for the solution to adapt across different working environments. The team has used multiple tools integrated to SAS via platform applications. This team's solution addresses an increasingly pressing need, and it does so in a compelling way.
And the winner of IoT for the second time. Congratulations, Team Statisticians!
Model Awards, yes, that is also a technical award. The SAS model are both high performance and portable, enabling organizations to leverage scalable capabilities that enhance their AI maturity models by embedding function and testing elements where and when needed. The SAS models offers an industry-focused capabilities that apply AI to real-world use cases. So let's look at the top 3.
And the top 3 finalists are Butterflies, Climate Change and Challenges to Nuclear Plant Safety, IAEA. And statisticians.
Now, this team tackled a pressing issue in the age of misinformation with an innovative solution that leveraged GenAI and SAS. By combining NLP techniques, foundational models, and machine learning methods, the team created an app to identify misinformation and credible sources. This is a big step forward in addressing the challenge of data trustworthiness in today's information landscape. The team's excellent use of technology to solve this growing problem is mission critical in keeping the internet safe and trustworthy. This team proved that innovation, determination, and a fresh perspective can make a huge impact. The problem addressed reflects the power of creativity and has inspired me and our entire applied AI and modeling division to continue to push boundaries. Keep harnessing your curiosity and drive. Congratulations to the champion of our first SAS Hackathon Model Award, a well-deserved recognition.
The winner of the Models Award, Team Butterfly, congratulations!
Natural language processing. Imagine NLP as a super smart parrot. The parrot doesn't just mimic you, it understands and responds with intelligence.
How does that work?
The parrot breaks down your sentences into words or tokens. It labels each word in nouns and verbs. It spots important names and places. It senses your mood like a mood ring that changes color depending on your tone. And it can translate languages like bonjour or hola and summarize a long text.
So in summarize, the NLP is like a super intelligent parrot that can understand, analyze, and even translate human languages, right? And I guess the best is that it doesn't even need a biscuit.
No, correct, Einar. It don't need a biscuit. So let's take a look at the nominations.
In the top 3 finalists are Council Insights Heidelberg, Scrappy number 2, and Aurea.
This team demonstrated an advanced approach leveraging NLP to gain insights and accountability into public decision-making. To achieve their vision of being able to quickly research public documents, the team experimented with a variety of technological components, such as text analytics, large language models, model management, and decision management. The team hopes to establish the city as a role model for other cities to use this technology to prioritize a transparent and inclusive decision-making process.
And the winner of Natural Language Processing, Council Insights Heidelberg. Congratulations!
Visualization is the use of sophisticated tools and processes to analyze data sets using visual representation of the data. So let's look at the top 3.
In the top 3 finalists are Cleaner Commutes, Council Insights Heidelberg, and Swedbank Insurance.
This hackathon team leverages SAS tools, such as SAS Via Workbench, Jupyter Notebooks, SAS Model Studio, and SAS Via Copilot to enhance the transparency in the city's municipal council activities.
A key focus is on creating an informative and visually appealing report in SAS Visual Analytics, integrating advanced visuals like text analytics, geographical maps, and interactive dashboard elements. By incorporating the biodiversity strategy and the National Climate Guidelines, the project identifies resolutions that contribute to the broader goals. The impressive use of the advanced visual elements and the well-structured report make this my winner in the visualization category.
The winner of visualization for the second time today, Team Coastal Insight Heidelberg. Congratulations!
Specialty Awards. Let's celebrate the Specialty Awards and begin with
Channel Ready Awards as an award for a SAS partner that has a winning solution that is ready to go to market. So let's meet John.
It's my honor to congratulate the winner of the Channel Readiness Award for the 2024 SAS Hackathon. This team worked on an assessment of data source credibility. Their solution addresses a critical problem and can be applied on a global scale in both the private and public sectors. What an incredible use case for such a relevant topic. I'm excited to see how this team's solution with SAS Viya can aid in reporting, publishing, and fact-checking as we continue to navigate the evolving technological landscape. And the 2024 SAS Hackathon Channel Readiness Award goes to Team Butterfly Data. Congratulations! Team Butterfly Data is a SaaS solution provider partner based in the United Kingdom. And congratulations also to our runners-up, Teams Notalize and the New Peak Neurons. Thank you to all of the SAS partners who participated in this year's SAS Hackathon. And personally, I can't wait to see what you do next year.
Winner of the Channel Ready for the second time today, Team Butterfly. Congratulations!
Data for Good and Sustainability Award. Teams in this category had a very relevant and important use case for the better good. Let's go to Isa to announce the winners in this category.
Swift and thorough action is crucial to help law enforcement identify and prevent child abuse incidents. This demonstration leverages data analytics to enhance intervention strategies with actionable insights. The project team's selection of such a significant topic was commendable, and the seamless integration of data through various solutions to create a model that extracts actionable information was noteworthy. Their presentation was highly impactful and innovative in addressing this heartbreaking issue. This application of text analytics is a fascinating approach to tackling a problem that is often hidden and difficult to expose. Congratulations to Team Abuse Search, and congratulations also to our runners-up, Teams Supply Chain Resource Cooperative, NCSU, and Innova TSN.
And the winner of Data for Good, Team Abu Search. Congratulations!
Our winner chose a great topic with an excellent demonstration of SAS tools to address a critical issue. Given that emissions from transportation have increased by almost 80% since 1990 and now account for nearly 25% of global CO2 emissions, the need for action and data-driven solutions is more urgent than ever. This solution is both useful and empowering, giving companies the ability to limit carbon emissions for regulatory compliance or altruistic purposes. I particularly appreciated the wide range of options available for simulating and selecting various scenarios to achieve emissions goals. So, the winner of the 2024 SAS Hackathon Sustainability Award is Cleaner Commutes. And congratulations to our runners-up, Teams CodeWrappers and IAEA, Climate Change and Challenges to Nuclear Plant Safety.
And the winner of Sustainability, Cleaner Commutes. Congratulations!
The Emerging Talent Award. This is an award that goes to a student team that has qualified into the industry tracks, or to an individual, an emerging talent that has been included in an industry track team. So let's go see who the winners is.
The SAS Hackathon Emerging Talent Award celebrates outstanding project outcomes from bright new talent in the field. This award goes to an industry track team made up of students and early career professionals who are already making waves. We're thrilled to recognize their innovative spirit and contributions to the analytics world. This team demonstrated exceptional skill in completing the full analytics innovation cycle, from clearly defining a meaningful problem to utilizing data in a creative and impactful way, and even testing their findings in a real-world setting. Their work showcases how data-driven insights can inspire tangible solutions with global relevance. The winner of this year's Emerging Talent Award is Near Exergame. Congratulations!
And the winner of the Emerging Talent, Team Near Exergame. Congratulations!
Trustworthy AI Award, a relevant topic for all of us using AI. Let's go to Bruchali to see who the winner is.
Judges were impressed how the team described the rationale behind choosing the right models, standardizing and labeling data, data cleansing, and using synthetic data. This was the most transparent use case I have seen, with all components designed to ensure trust and transparency for the end user. The team's approach to managing misinformation in an age when data is so easily manipulated represents a significant benefit for everyone. Their use of SAS Wire Workbench, SAS Wire Copilot, and open source demonstrates the depth and the breadth of SAS's capabilities in addressing today's challenges. The winner of this year's Trustworthy AI category is Butterflies. Congratulations!
And the winner of Trustworthy AI for the third time. Congratulations, Butterflies! And now we have arrived at the regional awards.
Yes, we have. And in addition to the juries that have studied the contributions across the different industries and usage of the SAS technology, here we will award the top performers in the 3 major regions. So first, we go to the America region. Over to you, Alex.
On behalf of the Americas Regional Jury, I'm proud to present the winner of the 2024 SAS Hackathon Americas Regional Award. The AI-enabled heat stroke prevention and management system for construction workers has the potential to positively impact people and communities across the globe. It's amazing to see the effective use of SAS Wire Workbench, and SAS Data Maker all applied to a relatable problem with a high potential to improve workplace safety. And the winner of the 2024 SAS Hackathon Americas Regional Award goes to Team SAS Statisticians. Congratulations!
Winner of the American region for the 3rd time today, Team Statisticians. Congratulations for the Hack Slam!
Hack Slam!
Next out, Asian Pacific. Meet Premanjali.
I'm proud to present the winner of the SAS Hackathon Asia Pacific Regional Award. This submission offers a highly promising and technically robust approach to automating quality inspection in the pharmaceutical industry. The team has clearly articulated the industry's challenges and demonstrated the value their solution can deliver through the application of computer vision and machine learning. The overall presentation and pitch effectively cover model training, system integration, scalability, and regulatory considerations, offering a clear and comprehensive overview of the concept. And the winner of the 2024 SAS Hackathon Asia Pacific Regional Award goes to Team New Peak Neurons. Congratulations.
And the winner of Asia Pacific region, congratulations, New Peak Neurons!
And finally, the EMEA region. Over to you, boss.
On behalf of the EMEA jury, I am proud to present the winner of the 2024 SAS Hackathon EMEA Regional Award. The jury congratulates this team on developing a solution to a growing challenge in our society. This issue is both current and likely to persist, making the implementation of the solution crucial, as combating misinformation and disinformation can significantly improve our world. The developed solution is not only timely, but also highly effective, leveraging our latest technology. We thoroughly enjoyed watching your case. The 2024 SAS Hackathon EMEA Regional Award goes to Team Butterflies. Congratulations!
And the winner of the EMEA region for the 4th time today, the winner is Team Butterfly. Congratulations for a Grand Hack Slam!
And now to something slightly different, the people's vote and choice. Anyone from anywhere could vote on their favorite team.
And the winners of the People's Choice Award. Congratulations to Team Innovate TSN and Team Imposter and Team EY for Better World. Congratulations! All right, Peter, we are now at the end of the show and we have congratulated all the champions and they are all nominated to the prestigious SAS Hackathon Grand Champion Award, which again will be presented and on stage on the SAS Innovate in Orlando in May. And today we had some Hack Slams as well, right?
Yes, Hack Slam and a
Grand Hack Slam.
Yes, actually 4 category winner.
All the best for that.
All the best.
Back to you, Marinella.
Back to you, Marinella.
This was so much fun. It's so great to see every year the incredible data and AI applications that come out our team's creativity from around the world. Congratulations again to all our champions and all the participants of the 2024 SAS Hackathon. Now I hope to see all our teams and everyone watching in Orlando for SAS Innovate next May in 2025. And we are already planning for SAS Hackathon 2025, so it's not too early to start thinking now about your team for the next year and the challenge of business case that you want to address. Thanks so much for watching us. Bye.